So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check your credit score using the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on More. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down until it says services right here, and it says credit score. So go ahead and press on credit score. So once you press on credit score, you actually can see your credit score right here. You can also go ahead and press on the other tab right here that says credit reports. Then once you're on the credit report page, you can go ahead and check on the summary, the information, the credit cards that are connected, public records, inquiries, etc. You can also scroll down and go with disputes this way. But basically, this is how you guys can check your credit card score through the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.